Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Jay. I have a share with you. We're doing these tag swap for a year of Julie Nutting dolls. And this is my tag I received for the month of September. I'm a little late putting out my video. I didn't get around to it, but I wanted to make sure I put it out there because Linda did this for me and it is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. It's a shaker tag. You know how I feel about shakers, right? You guys know how hard I've been trying to make a shaker, but I'm going to show you I did make one. I'm going to show you I did make one. If I can find my shaker, but I think I made one. Let me see. But let me get back to Linda because this is all about Linda and her creativity. So for fall, she made me a cowgirl. And it says, today is the day, make it happen. Has a little red truck on it with flowers for fall. Has this beautiful ribbons on it. I think this is that sari silk or something like that ribbon. It's really cool and nice fall colors. It's a shaker. It's a shaker card. I love a shaker. What a clever idea, Linda, to make this into a shaker. Oh my goodness gracious. And it said, handmade with love by Karyn Chapman. YouTube is SmarklingCrafting, big fun. Oh my goodness gracious, Karyn, I like that. I need one of those. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. It's a shaker. And it's beautiful. Look, she has all the fall. The mix is fall. The girl has her boots on. And she sent me a card with a Julie Nutting doll on it that says, Happy Fall. And it said, Jay, I really got excited to send you a tag. I love your videos. Your conversation is all that. Crafty hugs from Karyn. Karyn, thank you so much. Oh my goodness, I love this. Karyn, I'm going to tell you. On one of mine, I'm going to have to steal your idea because I think I can make this as a successful shaker. I think I can make it. Me and shakers don't get along very well, but a shaker tag. Karyn, I love it. I love it. Thank you so very much. Thank everybody for tuning in. Please go to the hashtag a year of Julie Nutting doll tags. I think it's a year of Julie Nutting doll tags or a year of Julie Nutting tags, but a year of Julie Nutting. Just go year of Julie Nutting, that hashtag, and I think it's tags, and you will see all the tags from all the ladies. We made our October tag. I made mine for Halloween, and I will be putting up a video once my person gets their tag. So, oh my goodness, this is so exciting. I'm having a good time making the tags. And don't forget, you can still join in with the making of the Year of Julie Nutting tags. You can join in at any point that you want to. Go to Donna Powered by Creativity's channel and get all the information and join the tag swap. There's no commitment. You can do it a month that you wanna and don't do it the next month. But it's been so much fun getting all the beautiful tags from the ladies. Thank you again, Karyn. Thank you so much. And I'll see you all in my next video. If you like this tag and what I'm doing on my channel, give me a thumbs up. And if you like blah, 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 you know what? I'm having a hard time here. Let me slow it all down. Thank you, Karyn. This is beautiful. If you like what I'm doing on my channel, subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to go over to Donna Powered by Creativity's channel and get the information about joining the tag swap. It's a shaker. Bye, everyone.